Today, I'm making a refreshing drink for the afternoon tea, mango passion fruit juice. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 3 cups of mango cubes. These mango cubes are cut from 2 ripe mangoes. Half cup of passion fruit, scooped from 3 passion fruits. 1 tablespoon of syrup, 150 ml of drinking water, and 2 cups of ice cubes. Here is how to prepare the fruits. For passion fruit, they tend to have wrinkles when they are slightly ripe, so it will be slightly sweeter. If they are not wrinkles, leave it outside the fridge for a couple of days until the wrinkle is formed. Always use a sharp knife to cut the passion fruit. Hold the fruits firmly. Use the tip of the knife to poke into the side of the fruit, and then cut it down firmly. See, it's very ripe. Use the spoon to scoop the seed out and put it in the bowl. As for the mango, peel off the skin and cut it into small cubes. It is very simple. In the blender, put all the mango cubes, passion fruits, 150 ml of water, and 2 cups of ice. Cover the blender. Switch on the blender and blend it for 30 seconds. If a high-grade blender is used, 10 to 15 seconds should be enough. Alright, after 30 seconds, the mango and passion fruit juice is ready. It is very smooth and the color is so beautiful. Taste the juice. If it is too taste, the juice can be served as is. Oh wow, the mango is sweet, but there is a sharp sourness from the passion fruit. As this juice is a little too sour, add 1 tablespoon of syrup to balance out the juice sourness. Cover the blender and blend it for 5 seconds to mix the fruit juice and the syrup well. It is now ready. Very simple. Pour it into 2 serving glasses. I am using a bigger straw as the consistency is quite thick. Add some of the mango cubes and passion fruit seed here for topping or decoration. It's ready. Such a beautiful and refreshing drink for a hot afternoon. Cheers! Oh wow, so good! Cool and refreshing with the fragrance of the mango. It's perfect balance of sweet and sourness. The mango and passion fruit blend so well together. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!